Do you know what's the easiest way to stand out in today's competitive world? It's simple. Learn a foreign language that opens global opportunities. And when it comes to foreign languages, French is the smartest choice right now. French isn't just a language, it's a career booster. Whether you dream of working abroad, cracking MNC interviews, studying in top universities, or freelancing with high-paying international clients, French can change your career completely. But let's be honest, most people start learning French and quit because classes are boring, no proper speaking practice, no expert guidance, and no structured syllabus, right? That's where Skillance changes everything. At Skillance, we train you to use it in real life. Our live online classes with expert trainers help you speak French confidently, build grammar and vocabulary, practice with role plays and real conversations. So if you want a skill that pays you for life, if you want confidence, career growth, and global opportunities, learn French with Skillance. Contact us today and enroll in our next batch.